Welcome to TankTerminals.com. In this video, I will explain more about how to make different search queries in our database. You can search by region, by country, by port, by terminal name, and you can also search by head office. If you would like to be more specific in your results, you can use the advanced search to add filters to your search. On the left side of advanced search, you can find many filters, such as tank, cargo, access types, and status. Here you can access a terminal fact sheet by clicking on a terminal name. Quick and easy, there are multiple ways for finding the information you are looking for. Please check other videos to learn more about TankTerminals.com. If you have any further requests, please contact us at info@tankterminals.com.